Most people who invest in crypto make the same mistake, they just buy whatever coin is trending and hope for the best. That is not a portfolio. That is gambling. A real crypto portfolio is built with a plan, specific allocations, clear risk rules, and a structure that protects you when markets crash and positions you to grow when they recover. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build one from scratch. Before you build anything, you need to understand one rule: crypto is a high-risk asset class. That means the first decision you make is not which coin to buy, it is how much of your total investable money should even be in crypto at all. For most people starting out, financial experts suggest keeping crypto between 5% and 20% of your total investment portfolio. The rest should be in lower-risk assets. Never put money into crypto that you cannot afford to lose entirely. This is not a warning, it is the foundation of every sound portfolio. Now, within that crypto allocation, you need a structure. Think of your crypto portfolio in 3 tiers. Tier 1 is your foundation, the largest portion, allocated to the most established and liquid assets in the market. Tier 2 is your growth layer, mid-cap assets with proven track records but higher volatility. Tier 3 is your high-risk, high-reward layer, smaller allocations to emerging projects with greater upside and greater risk of total loss. This 3-tier structure gives you stability, growth potential, and controlled exposure to risk, all at the same time. Tier 1, the foundation. This is where the majority of your crypto allocation belongs, typically 60 to 70% of your total crypto portfolio. Bitcoin belongs here. It is the most liquid, most widely held, most institutionally recognized crypto asset in the world. It has the longest track record, the clearest use case as a store of value, and the deepest market. For most investors, Bitcoin alone should make up the single largest position in their crypto portfolio. If you are just starting out, it is entirely reasonable to start with Bitcoin only until you fully understand the rest. Still within Tier 1, Ethereum is the second asset that belongs in the foundation for most portfolios. Ethereum is not just a currency, it is the infrastructure layer that powers the majority of decentralized applications, smart contracts, and the broader crypto ecosystem. It has real utility, massive developer adoption, and a track record of recovering from major crashes. Together, Bitcoin and Ethereum in your Tier 1 allocation give you a stable, battle-tested foundation before you add anything else. Tier 2, the growth layer. This is typically 20 to 30% of your crypto portfolio. Here you are looking for assets that have demonstrated real utility, significant adoption, and survival through at least one full market cycle. These are not brand new projects, they are established assets with proven ecosystems. This tier carries more volatility than Tier 1 but offers higher potential returns. The key filter: if you cannot explain what the project does in one sentence, it does not belong in Tier 2. How to actually enter the market. The single best approach for building a crypto portfolio, especially from scratch, is dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing everything at once, you invest a fixed amount on a regular schedule, weekly or monthly, regardless of price. This removes the pressure of trying to time the market, automatically buys more units when prices are low, and builds discipline into your process. If you have not watched our video on DCA, it is linked in the description. It is the foundation of how to execute what we are building here. One of the most important skills in crypto portfolio management is knowing when to rebalance. Rebalancing means periodically resetting your portfolio back to your target allocation. Here is why this matters. Imagine Bitcoin doubles in value. Suddenly your Tier 1 allocation has grown from 65% of your portfolio to 80%. You are now far more concentrated in a single asset than you planned to be. Rebalancing means trimming the positions that have grown beyond their target and redistributing into the ones that have fallen below. Most experienced investors rebalance quarterly, or whenever any single position drifts more than 10 to 15 percentage points from its target. Security is not optional, it is part of portfolio management. Every asset you hold needs to be properly stored. For small amounts you are actively trading, a reputable exchange with two-factor authentication enabled is acceptable. For larger holdings, anything you plan to hold long-term, a hardware wallet is the correct solution. A hardware wallet keeps your private keys completely offline and out of reach of any exchange hack, platform collapse, or online attack. Never store your recovery seed phrase digitally. Write it down, store it physically, and keep it somewhere secure. Losing your seed phrase means losing your portfolio permanently. Let us talk about the 4 mistakes that destroy portfolios. Mistake 1: over-diversifying into too many coins. More coins does not mean less risk, it means more exposure to projects you do not understand. Mistake 2: chasing pumps. Buying a coin because it went up 400% means you are buying at the top of someone else's trade. Mistake 3: ignoring position sizing. One bad trade should never be able to wipe out your portfolio. If a single position going to zero would devastate you financially, it is too large. Mistake 4: no exit plan. Decide before you buy what would cause you to sell, a price target, a time horizon, or a fundamental change in the project. Emotion makes terrible exit decisions. Here is your complete portfolio blueprint. Start with a clear crypto allocation as a percentage of your total investments. Build your foundation with Bitcoin and Ethereum in Tier 1, 60 to 70%. Add a carefully selected growth layer in Tier 2, 20 to 30%. Keep Tier 3 small and treat it as high-risk capital, 5 to 10%, or nothing until you are experienced. DCA in on a fixed schedule. Rebalance quarterly. Secure your holdings properly. And never let one position grow large enough to threaten everything else. Building a crypto portfolio is not complicated, but it requires a plan. Most people skip the plan. Set your allocation. Build your 3 tiers. DCA in consistently. Rebalance when needed. Secure everything properly. Avoid the 4 portfolio killers. That is the complete framework. If you want to go deeper on any one piece, our dollar cost averaging video is in the description and is the perfect companion to everything we covered today. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video in this series.